I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, measure the wall height and add 5 cm, then cut your first strip with pattern matching. Apply paste to the paper back or the wall according to the type. Make sure the adhesive coverage is even. Once pasted, fold the strip booked with paste sides touching for 2-3 minutes to activate the glue and prevent drying. You should position your first strip using a plumb line, press at the top, and let gravity help you align before smoothing downward. You now align the book strip to your plumb line, making sure the pattern matches the adjacent edge. Once aligned, unfold and smooth from the center outward using a wallpaper brush or squeegee to push air and paste toward the edges. This avoids bubbles. Continue hanging subsequent strips with tight but not stretch seams, matching pattern at the joins. Make sure to trim overlaps at ceiling and baseboard with a sharp blade and clean excess paste promptly to prevent staining. You finish by trimming all top and bottom edges precisely with a straight edge and fresh blade. Reinstall baseboards and trim after the wallpaper is fully dry to avoid lifting. Once applied, wipe off paste from the surface and run the smoothing tool along seams again to ensure adhesion. If a bubble or loose seam appears, lift the seam carefully, apply paste, and reseat it, or double cut and flatten stubborn bubbles. Remember, quick action when adhesive is wet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.